Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we'll show you how to enroll in the competition and submit your Round 1 video. Step 1. Log in to your account. Step 2. Go to the course catalog, add the competition course, and complete the enrollment process. Once you've finished, the competition will be added to your account. Step 3. Click on the competition course to open your course dashboard. Step 4. Open the course outline and select Submit Round 1 Video. Step 5. Click Browse, choose your video from your device and upload it. Step 6. In the Notes section, write a short confirmation message such as, "Please find my Round 1 submission." Step 7. Finally, click Submit Assignment to complete your submission. Before you upload your video, please remember, your video should not exceed 5 minutes unless stated otherwise in the competition guidelines. If you experience any issues uploading your video, upload it to Google Drive, make sure the sharing settings allow access, and paste the Google Drive link in the Notes section before submitting your assignment.